What's up, guys? It's Bonzi Bunny 451 here, and today I'm just gonna be doing a night vlog. As you see, here's the front of my house, and I'm prepared to go out here because I'm getting kind of tired of this. Because my dog out back, he keeps barking all the time, and I always wondered why. And then I went out there one time, and I saw like these. I'll just tell you the full story. One day, me and my grandpa, we were up here, and we heard meowing coming from around here. And then I came over here trying to look for something, and then behind this big ashtray thingy, the big trash can thingy, I found a little kitten, and I picked it up and gave it to him, and then it got out of his hands and got away. And then it's been a few months since we've seen those cats, and I've recently seen them a few weeks ago, and they've grown a lot. And I want to go find them and try to keep them away from here because they're messing with my dog. They're pouring over his big bucket of water. Yes, because all of them. There's three kittens. There's 3 kittens and 1 mama cat. And I'm gonna come out here and look for them. It's just a little night vlog exploring. I'm wearing Crocs. I just got out of the shower, by the way. Just come out here just to do this video. Now, this is where I saw one at. I saw it start up there, and then when I was up there, it ran down here somewhere. Last place I saw it, hang on a second. The last place I saw it, it went under this porch right here. And I have no idea where it went, where it went. Yeah, it went right under there. Through there somewhere. Now, I know where these cats live. And I think that cat's long gone over from here by now, because kitten wouldn't go over here for long. They live across the street at my neighbor's house. Oh, there's someone. Sorry about that, guys. My grandma just got home. I didn't want to really get on film because I don't think she would have wanted me to. Anyway, back to this. There's a car pulling out of there. I'm going to. Oh yeah, I already showed you the back of the yard. I think I'm going to go. I want to go now over to my neighbor's yard. That's where the cats are living for sure. I'm going to turn off my flashlight. Might not be able to see, but here's the street right here. That's the street. I'm going over the street. Sidewalk. Street. It's so dark on the camera. Oh yeah, I'm not using my camera, by the way. I'm using my phone because my camera can't find the charger for it. If I can't find the charger, I have to buy a new one. Oh crap. Hang on a second, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Something in my shoe. Okay, guys, there are like way too many cars on this road. Okay, I'm just gonna explore back here. It's pitch black on the camera. It's pitch black on my phone. If you guys can. Damn, cars are creeping. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna go over to across the street. I'm gonna do it for real. Okay, just across the street. Okay. Okay, I think I'm safe. I'm at my neighbor's house right now. I don't want to turn the light on because obviously they're still inside. I'm gonna walk around here. Can't let other cars see me do this because Well, they might think I'm trying to like sneak into their house and break in. Oh god, it's pitch black over here. Can't even see now. What's that? I heard something. I think that's Jade. Jade, is that you? Hey Jade. Here's my neighbor's dog if you guys don't know. It's Jade. Hey girl. How you doing, girl? Hunting for cats back here. I'm gonna show you the last place I saw a cat recently. I think their enter and exit escape is through that pipe right there. That broken pipe right there. That's the last place I saw one of the kittens go into and never come out. Searching in these bushes. I know this may not be amusing, but I'm just doing this just to get a video out for you guys because I haven't been uploading. Oh. Come on. Okay, that's on. This flashlight is glitched for some. And these leaves do not help whatsoever. Cannot even be quiet at all. Freaking tree. It's like this low. Okay. Wow, look at this. A tree my height. It's actually. Okay, this is the part where I have to be really careful. If I shine it in one of those windows, those my suspects might have to run. I'm not trying to break into their house or anything. I'm just searching for the cats that are over here. Trying to get over to my house. I do see a hole right there. You guys see that? That little hole? Those are groundhogs. This neighborhood is freaking creepy. You have an old water tank like us or something. Here's Jade's doghouse and a water bowl. Wish we had one like that. This is so freaking creepy. What is that? This neighborhood gives me the creeps. Especially back here in the woods. I've been back there a few years ago. There's a dirty pool. Oh God. This place gives me the creeps. This whole neighborhood does. I'm gonna turn my light off for a second. See down the street. Inside the house. Oh my God. There's a car right there. Trash bins. There's the door right there. There's a window. I'm not shining my light over there because they might see me. It's gotta be very quiet. I think at that window. Can I see in there? There's all the stuff over there. There's our neighbor's cars. And no sign of the cats. There's the neighbor's cars over there, but no sign of the cats anywhere. Oh. Now I can have my light off for this. I heard one. I swear to God, I just saw one. Oh God. I bloody saw one. I swear on my mother's life, I just heard something. Oh God. Did you guys not hear that? It sounded like a fucking little animal. It was right here in one of these bushes. Oh God. This is actually scary. It's just a bunch of cats.